How to Discord mic not working. Here are some methods that would help Discord mic not working. Method 1. Allow Discord to use your microphone. For Mac OS players, refer to this IMG. Method 2. Log out your Discord. Account and relogin it later. Method 3, choose the right input and output devices under the voice and video setting. Refer to the following IMG to assign and configure the correct input device in Discord. Method 4, reset Discord voice settings. Method 5, enable automatic input sensitivity. Method 6, changing the voice input mode to push to talk. Other methods are, running Discord as administrator, disabling exclusive mode, in Windows. Disable enable quality of service high packet priority on Discord. Update your audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Make sure your USB or 3.5mm input jack is securely connected to your computer. Trying different ports. Head into user settings. Voice and video audio subsystem, and select the legacy option. Check if you ran into some hardware issue, try a new or different mic. Get in contact with Discord support team for more help.